Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. This video is for all you guys out there. You guys are stuck and your car has a no crank, no start issue, and you guys get the message that says key incorrect, or it doesn't detect your key. You guys push this push start button and you guys get those two messages up. I'm gonna tell you guys how to get your car started and get it fixed. All right, so here's what happens. Get into your car, you push the your foot on the brake and the push start, and you get that message that comes up that says key not detected or incorrect key. For the most part, you guys might think it might be something huge that you might have to get a toll for and get it figured out, but for the most part, a lot of times when that happens, it's the key in your key fob that is dead or so weak to the point where you guys, where it's not even sending a signal to the car's computer so that you can get it started. So I'm going to tell you guys how to get it started in this situation so you guys can take it to wherever you guys need to take it to get that battery. They sell it at the pharmacy, they sell it at Walmart, they sell it at any place that sell those little flat batteries for your remote and everything else. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that key fob, and with the tip of it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push the push start. Even with a dead battery, if you guys take the tip of that key fob and you guys push it with the push start with your foot on the brake, starting it normally, it will start up. If that is the cause of your issue, it will start up. And the reason being is that there is a little, I forget what it's called, but there's a little mechanism on that push start that actually sends out an electrical pulse to the key fob to get to start. So if you guys are stuck in this situation and you guys are trying to figure out videos to figure out what to do as far as getting your car started, try that. All right, if your key fob is the issue, definitely try that. Chances are, if you guys get those two messages, that would be the issue. And if your car gets started, definitely take it to one of these stores to get a new battery. I believe the battery for that is a CR30 for the remote. It's easy to change up. All right, try that out. Hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All that good stuff, all right, guys. Hope this has helped you guys out and you guys get your car started. Take care.